I was tired of stressing over planning meals and having to find time to go to the grocery store every week, but I found the perfect solution, Meal Prep Sunday. It's what's been helping me live a more hassle-free and convenient life because they understand how valuable your time is, so they've designed the whole service that's going to give it right back to you. With their team of top-of-the-line chefs that prepare 15 new meals a week that's crafted from locally sourced and organic produce, it's quality you can taste within the first bite, and you can eat them whenever you're ready. They have industry-leading vacuum sealing technology that's going to keep things fresh up to 7 days. It doesn't matter if you're at the first day or the last day of the week, you can expect a high-quality experience. And what I love most is the delivery. While all other services are adding all types of additional fees and crazy delivery costs, their delivery is free and fits within your schedule, so there's no surprise knocks on your door. Again, the service is built around the client, so they've thought about everything. There's no contracts, cancellation fees, or anything like that. The service is all about making your life easier and less complicated. So if you're anything like me, you have to stop waiting. Get your freedom back, get your time back to do the things you actually enjoy with the people you love. And you can do it for $5.90 per meal, and that's a crazy deal. Save yourself some time and save yourself some money with the good folks of Meal Prep Sunday.